Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about how to make HTML. It is for beginners. Hope you enjoy it and also comment down below the topic which you have problem in. We will try to solve it and make a helpful video for you. Today we are going to talk about HTML. This HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is simple program that is designed to make a web page or website with graphic, audio, text, image, links, hyperlinks, etc. So this is HTML. We will be going through it properly, so watch till the end. So in this we must have the knowledge of HTML. So first of all, HTML is not a programming language. This is a markup language. It creates simple text file using any HTML editor. It consists of markup tags. It is saved with the extension of HTM or HTML, means .htm or .html. It is not case sensitive, that is HTML, HTML or HTML means are the same. In this condition, you may give dot, capital H, small t, capital M, small l. It doesn't matter, it is not sensitive. So but the main thing is that the extension is .htm or .html. So in this we need text editor, simply Notepad. This is one text editor. We can create HTML there. So it have got different tags. So tag are of two types. One, container tag, means container tag is, I am giving you one example of container, means in container we can give anything, fulfill anything. So in container tag we can fulfill anything. And there is empty tag. Empty tag means it is a tag which have got its own function, but it is especially used in HTML program for different purpose. And the container tag should be closed, and there is no compulsory to close the empty tag. So the tag and the attributes are the main things. So HTML is itself a tag. So HTML is a tag and this is a container tag. So we have to use HTML first of all. And head is also a container tag. We have to give the head. And title is also a container tag. And the title which we want to give, we have to write the name of that program, heading, or we can say title, main thing on the concept of what we are going to make this our web page. And we have to close head and body. And in this, first of all, we have learned about HTML tag, head tag, title tag and body. Means these all are the container tag, and between this container tag you can fulfill everything, text, image, audio, video, whatever you like, you can keep in this container tag. So there are heading tags H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7. This is the heading tag. In this, HTML have got its size of their letters in programming language, or we can say that it is especially markup language. But this heading tag is used for determining the size of the letter which we are going to use. Suppose we write H1, this is the biggest size, means you will get this is a biggest size in a bigger one. In same way, the size is in decreasing order from big to small. There is up to 7. So it depends upon the condition of the user who is going to use HTML, who is going to create a web page. So we have to choose the particular heading tag for the different context. So these all are the container tags, so we have to close this. In same way, there is paragraph tag. Simply if we want to write something in paragraph, we use p tag. So body tag, it is used to display text, image, links, etc. on the web page. Container tag has a start and end tag to an HTML element. Empty tag has a start tag only, no closing tag to the HTML element. Head tag, the first element under the HTML tag that contains information about the HTML document. HTML tag attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. HTML tag is used to identify the program as a standard HTML document. HTML editor is a software application required to create web page. HTML element is the context type along with start tag and end tag. Hypertext, a piece of text that works as a link. In same way, markup language is a way of writing layout information within documents. Title tag is display the text that appears as the title of the web page in the title bar. Means for the beginners, so this is for the beginners one. So this is for our beginners who haven't known anything about HTML. So you can try this by using HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag and heading tag and paragraph tag. We will give you more information in next videos about this HTML hypertext markup language. With a simple editor, text editor, we can create a web page. This is very excited one. With the help of one notepad, we can create a web page. And main thing is we can edit in notepad also, but the main thing of this HTML is the extension. While saving the document, we have to do the thing which we are going to do now. We are going to show the output of this program, this markup program, this web page which we have done here. So please see it, watch it, you will learn here. We have to go and save as. We are going to see the result. So we have to click Ctrl plus S, or we can go in file and click on save as option. Now you can give any particular name of your file that you want to give. Suppose cursor, I have given the particular name, and the main extension of this HTML is .html. Always try to listen carefully and always keep in your mind that the extension is .html. Your program should be saved in .html extension. This is the main thing to save, otherwise you will not get the result. And not only that, save as type, we have to convert that one in all files. You have to click on all files option, and now we are going to save this. And to see the result, we have to click on any internet browser for our result. So please watch this result. Now we are going to see the result. So we have saved our file in documents, so that is in documents type, and we have given the name cursor, so that is cursor. And in that particular markup language we have given the title welcome, so title is there welcome. And you can see there the different heading tag we have used: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7. So H1 is the biggest one, as the size you are watching there, that is the biggest size we can use in HTML. In second, this is size 2, that is the second size, and third size, fourth size, fifth size, and sixth and the smallest size. So this one is the last size of heading tag. With this tag you can give the size of letter according to the size which you are watching in our result. So thank you for the watching videos. If you have any comments, any question, please comments on the comment box, and if you have got any kinds of suggestion, please give us. We will try to improve it. Thank you for watching.